Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Google Drive tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files from your phone or tablet to your Google Drive account. So this can include not only pictures or video that you've taken on your phone, but also any files such as PDFs or things you've downloaded to your phone up to your Google Drive account. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up Google Drive on our phone or tablet. Now that we have Google Drive open, we'll see all the different files that we have in our Google Drive. To upload a file from our phone to our Google Drive, what we need to do is go into the bottom right, and you should see a little plus symbol. Go ahead and select that, and then under Create New, select Upload. So now we will be brought to a screen where it shows us our recent files on our phone. We can select other folders or types of files by first selecting the three horizontal lines in the top left. And then you can select images or video, documents, downloads, things like that. If you want to go through the different folders available on your phone, select your phone type, which is under downloads, and then you'll see all the different folders available. From here, you can select any of the folders and see what is available in them. But what I'm going to do is just go to the menu and then select recent. Now, if you wanted to upload multiple files at once, all you need to do is long press one of the files, and then it will allow you to select multiple files and upload them. Once you have all the files selected that you want to upload to your Google Drive, go ahead and choose Select in the top right. Make sure you grant access to Google Drive on your Android phone, and then it will upload it. And as you can see, it says your file is uploaded. So now if I refresh Google Drive, you can see that the file, the screen recording right there, was just uploaded to my Google Drive from my Android phone. So that's how you upload files to Google Drive from your phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google Drive tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.